On June 10, 2023, officers responded to Goodwill in reference to a woman shoplifting clothes.
They're in the back over there.
Here's some replacement. Let me talk to him.
About. You're gonna catch an additional charge. You fight with me. You understand? Stop.
Please don't grab me. Don't grab my pocketbook.
Let go of the purse.
Please.
Listen to him. Stop. You're gonna catch a felony charge. You keep fighting with me. You understand? Stop. I'm not gonna tolerate the crap. You understand?
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Yeah, stop.
Please. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Give
Stop.
us the camera for a second.
Stop.
Relax.
You're hurting me.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Please. Please stop. Please.
Stop.
Please. Please. You're hurting me.
Yep. And if you didn't resist, you wouldn't be hurt.
Please.
Stop.
Oh my God. Please. 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 Please stop.
Stop.
Please stop. Please. I'm so scared. Can't you see that? Please. Oh my God. Oh, you're hurting me.
You done?
Yes, I am.
Okay, we're gonna stand you up. I'm gonna sit you in a car so I can do my investigation. Double lock.
Oh God, please.
511, one in custody. You can clear the channel.
Oh God.
All units, number 111.
You guys dead?
Come on, bring your knees to your stomach so we can stand
Let's
you
go.
up.
Bring your knees to your stomach. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Sisters?
Yeah, just leave it all here. Can you go throw her in a car?
Sure can. That way. Walk.
Yeah.
Did you release the channel already?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm on Clearwater ship too. I flipped all of them. So what happened was, saw her. That's her. She bought one dress. She selected a bunch of items.
Mm-hmm.
And then she went in the fitting room with them. Came out without them. Hung up empty hangers. They're in here.
Everything's in here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Yeah, I took.
Don't move.
Yeah, I really didn't want to call you guys, but
You're fine.
She was.
She is what it is, so she's gonna catch the retail theft and the resisting. This is hers. All of this is paid for?
That's paid. Yeah, it's one dress.
See, there was a pocket on that side. Go ahead and sit down in the car.
Have a seat. Front first. Have a seat.
Inside the car.
I can't get inside
Yes,
the
you can.
car.
I'll let you go. There you go. Sit up.
Ow.
All the way, watch your foot.
All the way. Watch your foot.
The reason I showed up so fast, did she hit you?
Well, we came back here and she didn't hit me. No. She was resisting. She grabbed my badge, my loss prevention badge.
Okay, here's the charge.
Okay.
The charge would be resisting a merchant. Do you feel that she was resisting?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. That she was attempting to leave when you said, "Hey, I'm loss prevention. I work for Goodwill."
When we were back here, she's like, "I'm leaving. You're gonna go to jail. We're gonna get your license plate number."
Okay.
So, yeah, she's very, very violent, man. But she did not hit me. Can't say she did. You know.
Okay, I'll relook at the statute in reference to resisting a merchant to see if it fits. But yeah, video of her walking in, coming out with empty hangers. A statement from you in reference to what you watched.
You guys all okay?
Yeah, I guess she just went to the grounds.
Where are they?
Rolled away. She's in the back of Quick's car right now.
Okay.
I don't know what to do now. My other half is gonna be
Hold on one second, man.
Yeah.
Okay, you injured at all? No? Yeah, straight up, nothing like that?
No.
Alright. Just take a breath. Just stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I didn't.
We'll talk about everything in just a second, okay? As long as you're not injured. That's what I wanted to make sure of, okay?
I heard from where he knocked me on the table. He didn't need
Who
to
knocked
do
you on
that.
the table?
The officer. I didn't do anything to make him do that.
Do you need medical attention?
Ma'am, do you need medical attention? It's a yes or no
I
question.
don't know.
Okay. Good.
Watch your knee. Watch your leg.
Just go ahead and call them for just to precautionary.
I've got two requests. The first is going to be FD in reference to an older white female, conscious breathing, low-level fall that was assisted so far. I got one by the numbers, WW, previous trespass, history in reference to theft. You okay?
He's going through my purse.
Yes, ma'am. Because you're currently in custody.
I don't know what any of that means.
You're going to jail, one, for resisting a police officer, and two, yes, you did. You obstructed our investigation, therefore it's called resisting an arrest without violence. And then for the theft of whatever you took. Because that's why we were out here. Allegedly you took something. But I'm not the one doing that investigation, that's Officer Asbury. Because you're in custody, I have to ask you some direct questions. I need to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand each one of these rights as they've been presented?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me?
I don't know. It depends on what you ask me.
I'm going to ask you questions about what happened today, why I got called to the Goodwill. So it's a yes or no. Go ahead. It's a yes or no. Do you want to talk to me or not?
I need to call my other half first.
You're not going to call anybody. You're currently in police custody.
Okay.
So it's a yes or no. It's a yes or no, ma'am. You're an adult. You can make this decision. If it's a no, I won't ask you anything else. If it's a yes, then we'll have a conversation on why I'm here and why you're in handcuffs. I'm going to ask you one more time.
I'm not sure what to do, sir.
Do you
I'm
want
not sure what
to
to do.
talk to me knowing that
I'm
you can
not
have a
sure.
lawyer present or not? That's basically the question. Are you going to talk to me now or not at all?
And what happens to me if I want a lawyer present?
Then I stop my questioning.
And what happens to me?
Hmm?
What happens to me?
I go with everything that I've already seen transpire and what the loss prevention manager states. I won't be able to collect your side of the story. So yes or no? Fire department's here to check out your injuries. I have to complete my investigation. So yes or no?
It depends on what you're going to ask me, sir.
About what happened today.
I don't know what I will or will not answer until I hear a question.
Okay, you can decide that, but you have to say yes or no for me to even ask you a question first. If I ask you a question you don't want to answer, you can tell me that you don't want to answer that. At any point, you can tell me I'm done talking. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
I'm not sure how to answer. I'm not sure how to answer.
All right. Well, I'm going to let the fire department check you out to document any injuries or lack thereof, and then after they stay in the car, and then after they're done, we will readdress this one time and one time only. Okay? Quick, can you stand with her?
This way with the car.
Now, I'm over here
Yeah.
watching her between the racks
Okay.
because
This is the second time she's going in?
yes,
Or
this
first?
is her second time.
Okay.
The first time she went in, she stole 2 dresses, and the second time, 2 dresses again.
Okay.
When she crossed point of sale,
Yep.
I apprehended her right at the door. I didn't wait for her to get to the parking lot because
Yeah.
they run on me
Yeah.
over here, you know?
Yeah. He confronts her at the door. They go into the room. While they're talking, he takes a picture of her because that's part of their protocol. and she tries to snatch the phone out of his hand. And then he says, "The police are on their way. You're not going anywhere." And she like comes up and chest to chests him. Like it wasn't hard, but she like chest bumps him.
Okay.
And he stands in the way and says, "No, you're not." And that was it.
All right, Miss Sheila, I told you I would give you one more opportunity to talk to me, okay? You understand your Miranda rights as they were given to you? You understand that you're still under the protection of the Miranda rights? You understand that you've already acknowledged that you understand your Miranda rights? My question is, do you wish to continue to speak to me in reference to what happened?
Sure.
Okay. What happened today? You have more than enough money to pay for those dresses.
I do, I know.
You have cash and a debit card. So why did we go in the dressing room twice and take stuff off and put it in your purse and stash the empty hanger? What's going on? You don't know? Have you done anything like this before?
Oh my God.
Okay, so we acknowledge the fact that you went into the dressing room with a bunch of clothes?
I need to get an attorney. I need to get it.
Okay, so you don't want to ask any...
No, I
That's
don't
fair
think so.
enough.
No,
Because
no,
that's fine. I'm not going to ask any more questions. I'm going to just explain to you you're being charged with misdemeanor retail theft
Okay.
and resisting an all items in it, and I have to take you to the ground because you're fighting with two officers in full uniform,
didn't fight
and
with
it's
you.
recorded.
I didn't fight
I'm not
with
saying
you.
that you swung at me.
I didn't do anything.
Miss Burr, I'm not saying that you swung at me. That would be a different charge and it would be a felony. But when I go to detain you so I can conduct an investigation where me, you, and all
I
staff
was afraid.
is safe, why
I
were you
was
afraid? I'm a
afraid.
police officer in a marked uniform. The fact of the matter is,
The whole thing. I was afraid of the whole thing.
Miss Burr, the fact of the matter is if you just allowed me to do my job, you would have walked away from here. It's a misdemeanor charge and you have no criminal history.
I have
But because
not.
you decided to resist with me,
I didn't resist you.
You did too.
I didn't.
You sure did.
No, I didn't resist you.
Yes, you did. You told me I couldn't touch you. You told me that I couldn't put my hands on you. You told me I couldn't take your purse from you. You told me a lot of things that I couldn't do, which legally I sure could. So that's why you're being charged with resisting. Okay? You're also going to be trespassed from the entire plaza. You're not going to be able to shop at the Goodwill, the Family Dollar, or whatever. I'm just letting you know so you don't come back by accident. In reference to anybody that I arrest that commits crimes in business, I trespass them from the entire plaza. Okay? So you can't be here anymore. Fair enough? All right. The van's already en route. As long as you stay cooperative, we'll get those cuffs moved to the front, and we'll make you a little bit more comfortable. Okay?
I'm sorry.
It's all right. It's nothing personal. I don't know you. You don't know me. This is just a job for me.
I didn't resist you.
You did. Unfortunately, you did. Okay? But it is what it is. It's done now. All of your property is there, to include the dress that you did buy. The 3 dresses or 4 dresses that were in your purse went back to the